What it do, C fam? It's your boy C Will. We back at it with another slight video, man. Look, today it's a really exciting video, man. We finna drop off the car to get it wrapped. All right. For those of y'all that know, I did take off the hood and the trunk wrap, right? Might leave the roof. I don't know. I'm gonna have to tell buddy when we get there, right? And we just gonna get this thing wrapped, man. Like this, I'm not gonna say it's my first time getting the car wrapped, but I mean, I don't know. It's pretty exciting for me, at least, you know, just to like change the car up a little bit, shake the spot, you heard me? But yeah, look, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, man. It's your boy C Will. We at the gas station. I just put a little like 20 ball just to get me all the way to Denver, Aurora, whatever. We gotta drive like an hour just to get there, right? He was the cheapest, but the best quality, man. So yeah, you gotta pay for what you want, man. So y'all new to the channel, get us to 10K. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, man. Let's get to it. But yeah, man, so on the way over there, bro, like I said, y'all, we do have, what, a good light hour left, man. So just wanted to give y'all a little bit of Colorado views, man. Y'all see the mountains and stuff going crazy back there, man. Yeah, so my girl, she ended up coming with me, man. So, but it was like, yeah, man, you know, it should take about 3 hours. I said 3 hours, oh my God. But, I mean, it is, you know, from front bumper to rear bumper, you know, you got to line it up, all the symmetrics and all the math and then all that measuring you got to do, you heard me? So, but yeah, man, like I said, we got a good slight hour left. My girlfriend is coming with me and she drives slower than me, so we ain't going to make it at 12, bro. The appointment was at 12, so, but yeah, my rap guy, he should be cool, man. But yeah, y'all, I'm going to holler at y'all once we get to the shop, you heard me? Or to Buddy house, wherever it's at. We'll see, though. Jeez, look at the mountains, see fam. The mountains go crazy, boy. Damn, this the views I get every time I drive, whether it's to Denver or anything like that, bro. The mountains always go crazy, bro. Ooh, yeah, man. We still got, what, 47 minutes, dog. 47 minutes, see fam. And then we gonna be there, bro. I'm gonna show y'all how the car look, obviously beforehand. And then, you know, dude said it'll take 3 hours. So, yeah, me and my girl probably might go eat, go do something, right? And then we're gonna come back, pick the car up. I'm excited, man. Jeez, let's get to it.
Maybe this blue right here.
Okay.
So yeah, or unless you want something else, I can order for you. Oh, it's gonna take like a day or so, unless it's not here.
Nah, brother. I mean, I didn't drive a whole hour to like not get anything done. Right, exactly. Just to wait, right, brother? Yeah. So, okay.
You don't have black. Obviously, you don't want white.
I don't think. So you said this blue, and those two reds right there?
Yeah, I was thinking especially on this dark red.
Really?
Especially because the car is white, so you want something like dark so you contrast.
Okay. Yeah, I got you. Let me see. Cause I mean, I kind of was thinking kind of like a lighter red. Cause I mean, if you look at the brake calipers, brother, like on this side, like it's like red. So I mean, I was kind of trying to like keep the same, you know. But I mean, I like these blues too, though. So which one you think, though? Cause I mean, this is like a blue, but it look like a purplish blue, right? So
let me show you real quick.
Okay, yeah.
That's the color right here of this car.
Oh wow.
Oh, I like that.
I didn't know that.
Yep.
I like that.
Yeah, I actually like this too, though.
That's
what
hard.
I'm saying. I think this would look like a whole different. Like this would look really different.
Yeah. So that's one option. Okay. Or if you want something more settled,
yeah,
also like this, or even something darker, which is same one.
Right.
So up to you.
This color change is
Because
crazy.
there's even like you weren't thinking on.
So
2 racing stripes, right?
Yeah, boss. So I mean, essentially, it would be like 2, I guess, like 10-inch stripes or whatever. And like I think I had sent you the thing I had wanted.
Yeah.
Design. So it would basically come like around here and then
it comes around here.
Down.
Actually.
Yeah. So
I think it's right here. This body line right here.
Yep. So, but yeah, that's what I was thinking, man. And then it going from bumper to bumper.
So you want to do the same color on the roof, even though it's black?
I mean, okay.
But I'll do the stripes on the hood, obviously bumpers.
Okay.
But I'll skip the roof.
Okay.
Yeah, because I really like this on this color.
Really? Okay.
So
yeah, I got you.
especially because you have to trim some black. You have something the spoiler in black also.
Right.
So I really like the black accents right here.
Okay.
So that's why I was thinking on, well, whatever, like red or blue, whatever.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. I mean, it'll look crazy, bro, regardless. You know, it'll look good regardless, though. But I mean, I was pushing for the red, but I mean, I think like this bluish, purplish would look crazy on there, bro. I wanted something subtle, but I wanted something that'll pop, you know. Yeah, y'all, so just a little walk around of the car, man. You definitely got like a lot of colors, bro, but yeah, I know it's gonna look crazy, man. Oh, my bad. Hey, babe, see about to close it. Yeah, man.
So you can keep thinking about it.
What's this shit, man? Nice wrap. People are like gonna try to find something wrong with it. If it's a nice car, people gonna be like, oh man, your stripes off. Or so this is like the most important part. So anybody can rap, but it takes time to do this though. That's what I'm saying.
I would say like probably like 23 inches total. I would do probably like 22 inches.
Okay.
2 stripes in the middle. Well, 2 inches, 2-inch gap.
Okay. Yeah.
And then an extra.
in the middle.
Yeah, and then an extra inch for the pinstripe. So half an inch in each side.
Okay.
So it won't be like very thick. Let me show you. So instead of being like this much,
okay,
it'll be like just half an inch.
Okay.
That's right.
Yeah.
So it will be like
that's
too thick.
That's fine.
That work for you?
Yeah.
And then we can even see if we create those racing stripes probably like thinner.
Okay.
So we can leave the gap in between. So we can be another extra half an inch. Because I don't really want to go all the way over here. Since you have those body lines.
Yeah.
It's gonna be kind of weird because your racing stripes are gonna be straight.
Yeah.
And the body lines are like being like wide.
Yeah, pushing out. Yeah.
Exactly. So
I got you. So you don't want to make them too wide because of the freaking body lines. Like the body lines might make them look
weird,
unsymmetrical.
Exactly.
Yeah, it might make them look weird. Okay, yeah, that definitely makes sense.
Yeah, I just want to keep it like
I just
these
don't
two body lines.
Okay, yeah.
Between 24 inches, probably like less than 24 inches.
Okay.
So whatever I have to do, I'm gonna keep it in that measurement. And let me just double check the back bumper.
Okay, yeah. So
sometimes that's the most difficult part.
Really?
Yeah. Since you guys have this gap right here.
Oh yeah.
You can see the racing stripes coming down here, and then this body line will kind of like mess them up.
Yeah.
See? So, yeah, I would just keep it on 22.
22.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, because right here it's gonna be kind of weird, but yeah, okay. I would say 22.
Okay, that's too easy, man. I mean, I think you told me it would be like 255 bumper to bumper, but I mean, I don't know if it'll be more now since I'm getting a pinstripe or.
Since you're not doing the roof,
okay,
I want to keep the same price.
Same price, okay.
Yeah, because you're gonna have the carbon fiber, and that's a bit more expensive, but you're not doing the roof.
Exactly. Okay.
Yeah,
well, definitely do appreciate that, man.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, Mario, man. Hey, I will see you later on, and yeah, shoot me a text, and hey, we are speeding back over here, bro. I'm trying to see this thing, brother.
Perfect. Sounds good.
All right, thank you, brother.
No problem. Go out this door.
All right, C-fam. So look, as y'all seen, man, talk to my boy Mario. You heard me. I'm pretty excited for the rap, man. I think the rap gonna look crazy, bro. Like the sun is kind of out right now, right? So hopefully in 3 hours, whenever he say it's finished, y'all gonna see it, man. It's not the traditional thing that y'all probably accustomed to, right? If y'all been paying attention to the channel, y'all would know the color that I was thinking about getting, right? But yeah, y'all, I'll holler at y'all whenever we get back here, baby. All right, C-fam, just got to the gas station, man. Y'all see that 16.1 miles per gallon on a Hellcat Red Eye, man. Who y'all know that got it like that, bro? Just wanted to show y'all that right quick. Sheesh, gas right now is $3.49 for premium. So yeah, put that thing in, bro. All right, C-fam, so we're currently at a quarter of a tank, man. Like I said, gas in Colorado, this the best cheapest gas right now, $3.49 for 91. We don't have 92, 93. So comment down below, man, from a quarter of a tank, how much y'all think it's gonna cost to fill up this bad boy, man? I'm gonna say about 45, man. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated, man. Sheesh, cold out here. Bit just got done. So like I said 45. What was y'all guesses? Boom, 52, man, from a quarter of a tank, dog. Let me get this bad boy, y'all. If y'all don't shake that thing, boy, try to get every little bit of gas y'all can get, y'all rich, boy. I ain't got it like that, boy. Oh, nobody buying Hellcat or nobody buy Red Eye for gas. Hey, I get that. But shit, if I can save, I'm saving. Like y'all seen, I get 16.1 miles per gallon, man, as of right now. Y'all probably never seen that on nobody Hellcat or nothing like that, man. So yeah, finna head to another gas station right quick. Start that bit up. Boom. Finna head to like another gas station, man. Take a couple pictures and stuff. Then I'm gonna show y'all, like, oh yeah, 13,898. Man, look, I drive my car, y'all. I don't care what y'all got going on. 16.1 miles per gallon, man. Y'all see that leaf? That bitch stay on there unless I'm racing something. But yeah, y'all, look, stay tuned, man. We finna go right now to the gas station, bro. Look, she wants something, look. That's crazy, bro. What's up?
You going?
I mean, I'm gonna follow you.
Everything I put it in.
You don't know where it's at? No, I'm really.
No, it's fine.
Oh, how you from Colorado Springs but don't know how to get around Colorado Springs? Like, bro, what? But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna hit y'all once we get to the next gas station, bro. We're gonna take pictures. Then I'm gonna show y'all the actual car in a light, man. So yeah, holla at y'all, see fam. Y'all see that 320-mile range for a Hellcat Red Eye? Boy, y'all never seen that before, boy. Ooh. But yeah, look, we had to drive back from goddamn, whatchamacallit, from Denver, basically. So that was like a good hour. And me, I had that bit, look, cruise control on about 60, 65. Shit, I was good, boy. I was cruising. So yeah, like I said, it was 16.1. Now we at 318 range already, right? Probably drove for 2 seconds. Now that bit going down. So yeah, man, like I said, y'all, we still going. Y'all see that SRT, man. Y'all see that mud, boy. But yeah, we just moving, man. Finna go to the gas station, like I said, but y'all stay tuned. I know y'all gonna like the car, man. I definitely think it pop a little bit more, a little bit better, right? So yeah, let's get to it, man. All right, see fam, look, it's the moment of truth, man. Moment y'all been waiting for, you heard me? So look, without further ado, let me show y'all the car, baby. Boo, yeah, man, this is the whip. So this right here, y'all, is the first time even I seen it, man. So the stripes, y'all, they look blue right here, right? And then color shift to purple. You see that? So like I said, man, it's basically blue and purple, right? So I don't know if y'all can see that. See, blue and purple. Look like a chameleon type of wrap, man. Blue, then you got the purples. So yeah, y'all, this thing look crazy though, boy. This was probably like the closest thing I could even get to the sunlight, right? This literally the first time I had seen it too. Yeah, man. So initially I really wanted to like take this black off and like wrap it on top too, just so it can look much better from the front. But my wrap guy was like, hey man, I mean, I think you should just keep it the way it is. So I was like, okay, bet. So yeah, man, like he did a good job. You know, shout out to my guy Mario. This thing look crazy, man. I can't wait to show y'all in the sun. Like I said, it's the closest I can get to the sun, man. Man, comment down below, see fam. Tell me what y'all think, man. That blue and purple look crazy. That color change, wait till the sun hit it. Oh, that bit gonna be stupid, man. Stupid, man. Ah, y'all, it's cold, boy. Ooh, I'm out here and it's not, whatever. It's like 13 degrees out here, boy, in Colorado. So yeah, like I said, comment down below, bro. Let me know what y'all think. Initially, man, I really wanted to go red. That blue look crazy on there though. Yeah, y'all, I wanted to go red because of the red brake calipers, right? I knew the red brake calipers with the red stripes would go stupid, man, but I couldn't do it, boy. Yeah, let me know what y'all think, baby. Just wanted to give y'all the whole shebang. Y'all know we had come and go, bro. My girl driving the Jeep, but yeah, yo, I don't think I'm gonna do anything to the sides, man. Like, people already give me a whole lot of compliments, man, with the car just being white. You know, people be turning their neck, so just imagine they pull up behind me, they like, oh shit, who that? Oh yeah, that's who it is, your boy C-Will. Stop playing. But yeah, y'all, look, man, subscribe to the channel, bro. Follow me on Insta, you heard me? I'm gonna follow y'all back. If y'all let me know, look, y'all rock with the channel, I'm gonna follow you back, man. I always show love. Like I said, man, y'all like this, bro, make sure y'all subscribe, bro. This right here just the beginning, man. We got side skirts coming, steering wheel, you heard me? This quality work right here, bro. And then, like, at first, like, we did the pinstripes, we did carbon fiber pinstripes, but it didn't go together. So yes, sir. But yeah, see fam, look, it's your boy C-Will, man. It's cold out here, man, so look, I'll holler at y'all in the next video, bro. Y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, man. I'll holler at y'all.